Hello friends, this is Pradeep Yadav and today I am going to discuss first program of Python, that is addition of two number. So, there are two methods to perform addition. One is where a value is already given and second is where user have to enter the value. So, I will discuss both method one by one. So, firstly open script window, and in first class I have already told you how you can open script window. Just click on file and here you have to select new file, and this is your script window where you have to write code. So, first method is where value is already given. Suppose this is value 1, 2, 3, 4.56 and this is second. Okay. Now, you have to perform addition. Just write 1 and to display the value you have to print, and just here you can write some message, the sum of number is, okay, and just pass sum. Okay. Just save it, and just I have saved this file, and here I am mentioning addition video. Okay. This file is saved, just run this file. So, here you can see the output. So, this is first method where value is already given, and now just I am talking about second method. Okay. Here you can see we have taken decimal value. If you want to use a float, so you can use float here. In output there will be no changes. If you want, so you can use, and sometime using float, integer, string, that is a really good idea. But what I have run in first time, I think you can see we are getting output. Suppose just make it save and again run this file. So, again we are getting same input. So, if you are going to write float or not is totally depend, because there is we are not going to get any issue for this. If you are going to mention integer, float or not is totally depend. Okay. So, because I have run both type of program, and also you can see. Now, talking about when user have to provide some value. Okay. Then what you have to do? Firstly, you have to declare a variable, you can say, for providing input. Suppose I have taken this is value 1, I can check, okay, int, and you have to provide input. So, here for input you have to write input and just pass a message here, enter your first number, okay, and just close it. Okay. Again for second value here, and just copy paste. Okay. Here just second number, okay, and you have to add, so sum equal to, actually here I have mentioned integer, is totally depend upon you. If you want to mention integer, you can mention. If you are not going to mention, so program is not going to generate any type of error. So, do not worry about that. So, here and now if you want to see the output, just print, you can write message here, some of the numbers are, okay, whatever message you want to write, just write. So, this is simple program. Now, just check it ki how user is going to enter input and get output. Okay. Just run this program. Okay. Here you can see the message, enter your first number, just enter 2, 3, 4, 5, press okay, just enter here first number and enter here second number. Okay. Now, press here you can see the output. So, this is a method. By using this code, you can write a standard program for addition, where user can enter the value. Okay. Okay, let me check it again, and just here you have to run. Here you have to provide first number, suppose 3 4, press enter, second number 3 4, and after pressing enter you can get your desired output. So, this is addition, this is program of addition that is based on input which is will be provided by user. Okay. So, this is simple program of addition, and by following this method definitely you can add 2 number, 3 number, 4 number, whatever number you want to add, you can do it. So, this is very easiest program, and already I have discussed 2 program, one where value is already given, and second where user have to provide input. So, thank you for watching this video. Thank you.